Hi there, in this video I'm going to show you some simple home remedies that you can use to warts. These remedies are all natural and easy to follow, so stick around and I'll show them to you right now. Introduction. Looking at a wart. You might ask what that hard bump-like growth on my palm is. A wart is a skin growth that can be found on the hands, feet, face, genitals, and knees. The human papillomavirus, HPV, causes it, and it is contagious. Warts are tiny, lumpy lumps of skin on the body. The majority of the time, no symptoms are present, but in a few rare cases, there may be pain in the area where the wart is present. More than half of the time, warts disappear on their own, leaving only a minor scar. They are classified into numerous varieties based on their presence and the internal layout of their cells. 2. What are the causes of warts? Warts are caused by a virus known as the human papillomavirus, HPV. These viruses live in the skin's outer layers, but they can also be detected in the deeper layers. There are many different forms of HPV, but only a handful of them can produce warts. When our skin cell's defense mechanism or immunity is compromised, this virus can invade the skin cells and create warts. They are most common in those with reduced immunity, because of specific disorders or medications, and in those who work with meat. It is uncommon in infants but prevalent in school-aged youngsters aged 12 to 16 years. Warts symptoms. Because there are various varieties of warts, their appearances and textures vary. Warts typically appear as a mix of one or more of the following characteristics. Skin-colored, brown, gray, or black. First surface, flat. Texture, rough one. Form, dome-shaped one. Home treatments for wart removal. People have employed a variety of home treatments to successfully eliminate warts, which are not a good addition to your appearance. A few examples are provided below. These stories have little to no scientific evidence but have been shown to be beneficial when used by individuals, so use them with caution and don't go crazy if they don't work as intended. ACV, apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar has been reported to be effective in the removal of warts. Because it is extremely acidic, it should always be diluted before use. You can prepare it by combining water and apple cider vinegar. This combination can be applied to the wart with a cotton ball and then covered with a bandage for a few hours to soften it. Gel aloe vera. You can use an aloe vera leaf by cutting it open and scooping out the gel. The gel can then be applied to the wart. This home cure has proven to be highly beneficial for certain people. Aloe vera is beneficial to the skin and is used to cure a number of skin conditions ranging from burns to cuts and bruises. As a result, it is also used to cure warts. The peel of a banana. People have been using banana peels to remove warts for many years. You can apply it by taping a piece of banana peel to the wart and leaving it on overnight while sleeping. Ensure that the peel's inner side touches the skin. Although there is no solid scientific evidence, using it on a daily basis could be beneficial. Orange rind. Another fruit peel. To experiment with the orange peel should be put on the wart on a daily basis by rubbing it against it. When this is done on a daily basis, the wart seems to change color, darken, and fall out. This may take some time, perhaps 2 to 3 weeks, for the wart to fall off. There is no scientific proof to support this cure, but who knows? Maybe the acidic quality of the orange can help you get rid of your wart. Nail polish in clear. The wart is being suffocated by the application of transparent nail paint to it. Though there is no evidence that it works, the nail polish develops a coating on the wart and stops the virus from spreading from the wart to other areas. It can be used several times each day. You can experiment with this remedy to see whether it works for you. Tape duct. This is a common home remedy for treating warts. Cut a little piece of duct tape and apply it to the wart. This is left for 3 to 6 days before being removed. Immerse the wart in water after removing the duct tape and scrape it with a pumice stone or emery board. It should not be covered for the following 3 hours and should be left alone. Note: if you have sensitive skin, use this approach with caution.